What's up, guys? It's your boy Jay Reed for Leaky Honda. Here's what we're doing today. We out in the Civic, obviously. So yesterday I installed a boost gauge. I had an old boost gauge, but it only went up to like 20 psi. So I decided that I wanted one to go up way more than that. The reason is because my boost cut is currently at 20 psi. So I don't even know if it's going over, how accurate it is, or whatnot. So today we're going to test out this boost gauge, and also I'm going to turn up the boost cut a little bit, maybe to 25 psi, and see what we can do. Now I don't have much gas, so I'm not going to be doing too much, but I need to data log. We got the old laptop over there. We're going to log into that. Hopefully it'll connect and stay connected, because sometimes it can get a little sketchy. So that's what we're going to do today. And I don't know if you can see that or not, but I really need some more gas. But I don't like going to the gas station just yet because it's still scary. In other words, I'm still not confident in the fact that if I turn this car off anywhere, that it's gonna start back up. It shouldn't be an issue, but I gotta build up that confidence. So until then, we're gonna keep getting the gas can, putting it in there before we stop at a gas station. And I still got a little bit of oil leaks too. I don't want to be messing up these people nice concrete. Well, I don't really care about that. But anyway, we got that in. We fixing to see if we can data log, and I'll be back at you as soon as I get it hooked up. So the first thing we need to do is download the existing tune. So we're gonna connect, see if we can do that. I am already having problems with the software, so I don't know. I don't know how this is gonna work out. All right, we got the tune, the calibration. People be saying calibration now. All right, we just downloaded the calibration. I don't know what's going on. What in the world is that? Well, that's why I'm fixing the data log, so I can try to fix that. Anyway, we got the calibration downloaded. So now we are going to see if, let me save this, and we're going to see if the data logging is going to work accordingly and stay connected. All right, we got it started up. We got it, the data log working. I'm not recording yet though, but this was a good example because it was kind of a slow start. Let me hit the gas and see what this boost gauge does. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So that worked. It don't really seem right though. So this is at a -6, and this is at, I don't know. So right now I'm just letting the old girl warm up a little bit, and then we're gonna take it for a spin. Way too rich. That was 14. tell me it was probably a mess. And that little 50 trim turbo be hitting. I put a transmission bolt in there, and there's no more wheel hop. I found out I was missing a bolt, so that would explain the wheel hop the other day. All right, guys, we back at the house. Now let's look at this data log. I need to save it. Oh, turn the fan off. OMG. You gotta be fucking kidding me. I don't think it's saved. I don't think it's saved. I'm gonna check it though. We gonna check it. There's no data. My fucking goodness. Spitting. Well, maybe it did. Let me check it real quick. Okay, I'm in luck. The data log saved. So let's take a look at it. We got some work to do. All right, so this is the first pool right there. TPS, 101%. Damn, how you get 101%? We got IATs, 122. I guess that's good. ECTs, 172. Bobbity beep. So we made 21.41 pounds of boost. So I'm pretty confident that that is about all this little 50 trim is going to make, which is cool because she's a ripper. Timing was 12.75. That's pretty safe. I'm at 80% duty cycle on these RC750s. 11.02. She's fat. I need to lean it out a little bit up top. Now let's go to the second pool. All right, so this second pool kind of cut off. I don't know what happened there, but on the second pool, we only made like 14.1, which is what it is. And then we got, what did I say, 14.1 at 6,800, 1102, 17 degrees of timing, 58%. So we weren't really balls to the wall on the second one for some reason. TPS is like, what is that? I can't tell. TPS is blue. I mean, it looks like 101, but I can't really see it. So I don't know. It only made 14 pounds, 4 TPS. Maybe so I wasn't chicken footing it. Either way it goes, I'm okay with that. Now I need to go in the house and do some adjustments, see if I can get that tune a little bit dialed in. I'm so glad the data log saved because I would have been highly irritated. Now let's go check these oil leaks because I know we got some. I don't know why after I run, every time I check for oil leaks to make sure that there are no bigger ones than what there normally is. So we got a little baby one by the transmission. I don't care about that. Got a little baby one right there. I'm gonna have to pull this car off the grass. HOA was tearing me up. So I don't even know if I really like that boost gauge. It may not be, I don't know. I need to hook the lights up in any case. Now what I am happy about, which I'm gonna go ahead and say, is the fact that I have had the car running for, it's been a minute. And a month. A month is a good thing. So I've had it running for about a month and no new problems. I'll put it like that. So that's always good. Anyway, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.